Writing Task 2. Band 9 and 8 Sample Answers. Write about the following topic. In some countries, more and more people are becoming interested in finding out about the history of the house or building they live in. What are the reasons for this? How can people research this? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge and experiences. You should write at least 250 words.
IELTS Task 2 Essay, Band 9, Sample 1. The trend of individuals seeking the historical background of their dwelling is increasingly prevalent in certain nations. This essay posits that the driving force behind this phenomenon is the human thirst for knowledge, specifically to uncover connections between themselves and their place of residency. Through examination of the building's architectural elements, they can effectively conduct research and gain insight into its history. The primary impetus behind individuals exploring the history of their abode is to satiate their innate curiosity, which is essentially a form of historical sleuthing. They desire to comprehend the physical attributes of their house, such as why the living room deviates in appearance from other houses in the neighborhood. This discrepancy piques their interest and prompts their quest for knowledge about previous inhabitants. They may be intrigued to learn about the appearance and occupations of former residents, and even more so, to unearth the roots of their home and establish a connection with their ancestral heritage. In this manner, delving into the background of a building can serve as a window into the past and a means of preserving a historical legacy. The inherent preservation of a building's physical structure, unaltered since its construction, serves as a valuable resource for uncovering its history. Observing its distinctive features, such as paint colors and molding, can provide valuable insight into its past. For instance, the presence of wrought iron, cut iron, or wire molding is a hallmark of early 20th century architecture. Additionally, professionals can employ cross-sectional analysis of paint chips to further study a building's history. For example, if they find that a room has undergone 10 coats of paint over time, but a door casing only displays the last 8, it suggests that the casing was added around the same time as the third layer of paint on the walls. Thus, through a thorough examination of its physical attributes, the rich history of a building can be revealed and appreciated. In conclusion, the primary motivations behind individuals exploring the history of their dwelling stem from their unquenchable curiosity and a yearning to connect with their ancestral roots. The examination of architectural elements serves as a prevalent method to uncover a building's historical background. IELTS Task 2 Essay, Band 9, Sample 2. In recent years, there has been a growing trend in some countries where people are increasingly curious about the history of the houses or buildings they live in. This essay will explore the reasons for this trend and discuss ways in which people can research the history of their homes. One of the primary reasons for this trend is the desire to connect with the past. By learning about the history of their homes, people can gain a better understanding of the people who lived there before them, their way of life, and their contributions to society. It can also help people feel a sense of pride and belonging as they become part of the continuum of the building's history. Another reason for the growing interest in the history of homes is the increase in property values. Many people believe that knowing the history of their home can add value to it, particularly if the building has significant historical or architectural value. It can also help people better understand the condition of the property and make informed decisions about renovations and improvements. There are several ways in which people can research the history of their homes. One approach is to look through public records such as property deeds, census data, and local archives. These sources can provide information about the original construction date, the previous owners, and any significant events or renovations that have occurred over the years. Another approach is to speak with neighbors or members of the local historical society. They may have information or stories about the history of the building that can provide valuable insights. Additionally, people can search online resources, such as historical databases, genealogy websites, and local history blogs. In conclusion, the growing interest in the history of homes is driven by a desire to connect with the past, add value to the property, and gain a better understanding of the building's condition. By researching the history of their homes through public records, local archives, and online resources, people can gain valuable insights into the people and events that have shaped their homes over the years. IELTS Task 2, Band 8 Sample Essay. In various nations, many individuals are increasingly inclined to delve into the history of the buildings or houses they reside in. This curiosity appears to stem from a desire for safety reassurances and the potential for investment opportunities. And this trend can be facilitated by engaging with first-hand accounts and leveraging the power of online resources. The pursuit of safety assurance and potential financial gains stand as prominent motivations driving the increased interest in exploring a residence's history. As conscientious residents, people feel the need to ascertain whether their homes can withstand natural calamities like earthquakes or floods. By exploring whether their dwelling has successfully weathered such events in the past, it serves as a testament to its enduring construction, offering a tangible and reassuring sense of safety. Simultaneously, the historical value of a building is often intrinsically linked to its financial worth. Buildings that are considered historical artifacts typically appreciate over time. Consequently, these properties offer homeowners not only a unique living experience, but also a potentially profitable exit strategy should they decide to sell. Employing various research methods, such as engaging with previous occupants and utilizing online resources, can greatly assist in uncovering the rich history of a building. Past residents and neighbors can offer first-hand accounts of the building's history, providing insights into events like renovations after natural disasters that might not be recorded elsewhere. Additionally, harnessing the power of the internet as a research tool can be extremely fruitful. A plethora of databases and local archives provide a wealth of information about a building's historical significance, aiding homeowners in making an informed assessment of its investment potential. For instance, a home previously owned by a historically significant figure could command a significantly higher market value. In conclusion, the rising desire to explore one's residential history is rooted in individuals seeking a sense of safety and potential investment returns. By speaking with former residents and employing comprehensive internet research, people can make more informed and confident decisions about their present homes and future investments.